Hey everybody, this is Dean Jacobs with another episode of Exploring a World with Dean. Headed down to Ecuador. One of my favorite moments of going in the rainforest was a chance to hang out with Sakura. Look at the joy that these kids had playing in the rain. Just a reminder, it's always wise to enjoy life. And to check your compass, because you never know where you might go when you explore with Dean. I have a foundation that is currently bringing school materials to remote villages in the Amazon. If you want to be a part of that magic, visit my website and donate today. Thank you.